Hey champions, welcome to the introduction of Snacky Snack Adventures. Well, you know my sidekick Miss Lisa, she's at work at the moment, and me, big fella, well, I'm off to work tomorrow as I work FIFO, so we've decided to kick off Snacky Snack Adventures in the best way we know how and introduce ourselves. We've been inspired by many people. We've got Grizzly Bear Overland, Steph and Lee, who are travelling the world but are in Australia at the moment, and we've got Sarah and Keelan Travels, who is travelling over east. We watch all their vlogs. You can catch them on YouTube down below in the description. And then I've got my mate that I talk with at work, Fish, and his wife Margie. They're called Adventure Into the Sunset. So have a look. We've been inspired by a lot of these people and a lot of the food vlogs. Yeah, they tell you where to travel, where to stay, and Miss Lisa and I thought, why not we do one? We can do one where you can eat and have that awesome snack. 2 years ago we did do a trip down south, and you've heard of the Bibbleman track. I think we did the Bibbleman snack because we liked all the bakeries. I'm a big fan of the vanilla slice, or the custard slice, whatever you want to call it, and the old sausage roll. So we went to every bakery and we tried them out. So we just thought, why not do a vlog? We can show you a bit of our camping. We've built the setup, so we'll show you how we built Bigfoot up, the old Delica, and then we can also show you some droning, because I'm a bit of a drone addict. Miss Lisa's got some camping cooking, and we can get out there and try places that you suggest to us, whether it's a restaurant, food truck, cafe, anywhere, takeaway, even takeaway. So yeah, if you've got a place that we can go to, or you suggest that we can go to, doesn't have to be local Perth, can be up north, over east, international, because we do international trips as well. We got one coming up in the vlog, and then yeah, if we can speak to the owners or get a bit of history, we'd like to do that, and yeah, just see what the people say. So yeah, we'd like you to give us a like and a heart and a subscribe, I guess. We'll be putting our videos probably once a month, twice a month. We'll see how we go. We've got a couple in production at the moment, ready to go. So next week we'll probably put out our first home cooking one. It'll be one to watch out for. If you've got any ideas, please let us know down in the comments. We'll look at it, we'll track it, and we'll see what we can do by bringing you something a little bit different, and you can share our shenanigans. Sometimes you might see Blade, our boy, with us, and we might even have our super pug, Big Al, along on our camping trips. So yeah. Also, we've got some merch. We've got shirts, we've got caps, we've got stubby holders, we've got all sorts with the Snacky Snack logo and stickers. So if you'd want to get hold of some of them, give us some good ideas, and if we go and visit your place that you suggested, we'll send a little pack of thanks out to you. So yeah, I guess subscribe to the channel and like and do all the other things that everyone else does, and we can only get better. And please note, we go by the hashtag all the gear, no idea. Big fella out.